And hello, folks. It is already Tuesday as we're looking out the window here. Actually, looking out the tower cam there on Texas Street. We see a little shower in the distance. They're hearing thunder around Alexandria and Pineville as we're seeing another unsettled day develop after daytime heating. And I think that is going to be the pattern for a while. Let's go to another cam up toward Leesville where we're seeing some dark cloud bases there as well. Mostly cloudy sky, and rain is not too far away, so we'll be talking about steam and storms. That's what we've got to end June and start July with. Finally, we got a storm in the Atlantic. We'll talk about where it is and where it's going. And a tropical outlook will follow that into the first half of July and see what we may have happening there. All right, so going into your radar, we see scattered showers and thunderstorms moving in from southeast to northwest across the area. Let's check things out, see if we got anything really intense across the area. Everything seems to be behaving. We did see a severe thunderstorm warning out of this for extreme southwest Beauregard Parish and Calcasieu Parish, but that has moved into Texas right now. Again, we see an outflow boundary there. That will trigger some new activity, and we'll just check out some special weather statements for some strong wind and sub-severe hail in some of these locations around northeast Vernon, northwest Rapides Parish, and then into deep East Texas. All right, so that's it. And kind of expect this next several days and beyond, I'd say. High pressure continues. We see that clockwise rotation right through here. You can see we're still kind of on the edge of it. Notice the showers and thunderstorms bubbling up here across our part of the United States. We've got the combination of daytime heating that makes the atmosphere unstable by itself. And once you get on kind of the edge of this high pressure, that can add a little ripple of energy or two overhead, which will boost the instability. All right, so if you're going out this evening for entertainment or something like that, errands, expect at least a few showers and thunderstorms to dot the landscape. Might not be a bad idea to take an umbrella. And then once we get into tomorrow morning for the commute, things settle down, except the humidity. Could be maybe a little patchy fog from time to time. Once we get into the day Wednesday, I think we'll see still some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, but less coverage maybe than today. And once we get into Thursday morning commute, likewise, humidity will be around, and we'll see another day where we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So 30% Wednesday, that's going to be less than what we ended up with today. A hot day, 94 average. Okay, remember, these are averages I give. You can be 3 degrees either side of that across the area. 20% for Thursday, go back up Friday to 30%, and that's going to start a trend into the weekend. 40, 50 will take us into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. Temperatures remaining at or above, slightly above seasonal benchmarks here at the end of June and the first day of July. Now let's go beyond this into our tropical segment here. This is Tropical Storm Andrea, way out in the North Atlantic Ocean, moving to the northeast at 20 miles per hour. It was just going to be a brief thing, and I'm kind of surprised the National Hurricane Center went ahead and named this thing. But it's out there, and it is the first of the year in the Atlantic Basin. So we finally got one after a wait. We should have had it on June 20th, so we're not that terribly late. All right, so let's come back into the outlook as far as, there we go, with the rest of the path of Andrea. And this is our tropical outlook through the middle of July. For the most part, we don't see much happening there. It looks kind of quiet. Now, the European model on July 2nd, 3rd, and 4th is indicating a little possible area of surface low pressure off the southeast coast of the United States. But for now, that's kind of iffy, although there were a few ensemble models of the versions of the European model on board with that. So we'll keep an eye on things, and Nick and I will, and we'll certainly let you know if anything happens, and certainly if it aims at us, which so far nothing is. All right, thanks for supporting SendLive Weather, and we hope your Wednesday is